Caramel popcorn. For this recipe, you're going to need to use a high quality popping corn. The easiest way to tell the difference between popping corn and regular corn is, I can't remember right now, so I'm just going to cook both. Perfect. Butterfly. Get it, Karen. Some thick milk. Some healthy sugar. Some white sugar for color. Some corn sauce. Mix-a-lardo. Salt. A banana. Stir for 5 minutes. I'm going to use Olive. She's my auto mixer. We're going to cook it till about 280 for the soft stuff. When it's done, add your yum yum sauce, Mix-a-lardo, and then add some baking soda. The baking soda adds flavor and volume. Look at that volume. 77.5% caramel, 35.9% corn makes caramel corn. Perfect. Spread a lardo. Get it, Karen. Nice. Transfer lardo. And you can't have good caramel popcorn without some chocolate tardo. Done. Taste test. 100% caramel, 100% corn.